Welcome to my classroom. Our topic for today is going to be dividing integers. So let us have our math notebooks ready, and we are going to write down the name of the topic, which is dividing integers. I know what you're thinking right now. I know you're thinking that, wow, Miss Meta writes so pretty. And you're like, oh, she's the best teacher ever. It's all right. I understand your feelings, and you can compliment me later when you see me in the classroom. But for now, you'll not concentrate on how awesome Miss Meta is. You'll concentrate on dividing integers. So, now, students, dividing integers, we have been talking a lot about integers in these videos, right? So basically, dividing integers will be nothing but the teacher is going to, or any test paper is only going to change the middle sign between the integers as division sign instead of plus, minus, multiply, which we looked at in previous videos. Around the division sign will always be integers. So let us take one negative integers, negative 100 maybe. Let us look at some bigger numbers now. And then on here, on the second integer, again, the teacher gives you a negative number to divide it by. So I'm going to again teach you an easy trick. And in the last video, I did great with my line feature. I couldn't believe myself. So I'm going to use the same line feature to make a little triangle here. And again, if you could remember it, that'll be awesome. But if you can't, always draw this triangle up on the top of your worksheet. That way you can, always refer to it whenever you need it. So I'm going to have a blue colored plus sign on the top. And then two negative signs. I'm going to have oh, it's still the line feature. See, again, I make the same mistake, students. So you're not the one who makes mistakes. Miss Meta makes mistakes all the time. So this is a negative here. Um, I do not like that pencil. Let me go back to that painting pen only. I hope you're not laughing at me right now. So this is the plus sign and these are the two negative sign. This works well for division also. This triangle, we use this for multiplication. Again, it works well for division. So we will use the same concept. Remember, what was it? Negative divided by negative. The third side gives me what sign the answer will have. The sign that I'm not, the side that I'm not using, excuse me. So here, students, I'm going to divide negative 100 by negative 10. Negative divided by negative. Negative divided by negative. The answer will be positive. So at least I am done with half of the problem. I know that my answer sign is going to be positive. So now division means basically backwards multiplication, you can say, or repeated subtraction. That means how many groups of 10 can I make with 100? Or if I have a $10 bill, how many $10 bills do I need to make $100? So if you take it as money, math just becomes so simple. So that means if I'm looking at money, I really need 10 $10 bills to make $100. Or 10 times what is 100? 10 times 10 is 100. So that means my answer is going to be 10 because 100 divided by 10 is 10 and my sign is going to be plus. So students, whenever you're taking tests in my classroom or doing worksheets, etc., always remember whenever we are doing integers, your question answer will have two major parts to it. One will be your number answer, other will be your sign. I'm a little strict about your answers as you give an integer, especially. So I will give you half points if your sign is incorrect. So actually, you've lost 50%. But I'll give you full points if your and sign and the answer is correct. So, for example, if you give me an answer for this as negative 10, you will not get full points at all because sign is major important thing here. Okay. So that was our first example. Let us go to our second example now. And let us practice another problem. Let us say we have plus 25 and we are dividing it by negative 5. So this time, students, again, if we know our times tables well, we can really do the division easily. But also let us look at the sign because we want to have those half points for sign as well. So let us check. Plus divided by negative. Plus divided by negative. The third side gives me the answer. So that means my answer is going to be negative. Now, 5 times what is 25? Or how many $5 bills do I need to make $25? So let us see. This is a $5 bill, one $5 bill, second $5 bill, third $5 bill, fourth $5 bill. I'm feeling like I'm rich right now. um this is going to be my, before I check, let me check. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. I don't have 25 yet. So one more. Do I have 25? How many $5 bills do I need? One, two, three, four, five. And yes, it does make $25. So that means I need five $5 bills to make $25. So my answer is going to be negative 5. Here again, I need to make sure that my division is correct. I need to make sure that my sign is correct in order to get full credit. So I hope I'm making some sense, students. I'm repeating again, this triangle works very well with division and multiplication both. And it comes very handy when you're dividing and multiplying integers. Um, I hope you understood. If you still didn't, come for ZAP and extra tutoring so that I can explain it more to you. Have a great day. Bye.